Losing someone dear is incredibly difficult, and during such a sensitive time, many practical responsibilities can feel overwhelming. Dealing with financial matters might seem like a daunting task, but understanding the steps can bring some clarity. To directly answer how you close a deceased person's bank account, you will typically need to present specific legal documents to the bank, prove your authority to act on behalf of the estate, and follow their established process for account closure and fund distribution. The reason banks requiring this particular approach is to protect the deceased's estate and beneficiaries from potential fraud or improper access to funds. They must ensure that assets are handled according to legal guidelines and distributed only to those legally entitled, such as an executor or administrator appointed by the courts. This diligence safeguards everyone involved. Your first practical step is to gather essential documents. You will definitely need a certified copy of the death certificate. This is distinct from a regular photocopy. It bears an official seal. You will also need your own government-issued identification, like a driver's license or passport. If you are acting as the executor or personal representative, you will need the legal documents that confirm your authority, such as letters testamentary or letters of administration issued by the probate court. Next, contact the bank directly. You can often do this by phone first to ask about their specific procedures and what forms they might requiring. Some banks prefer an in-person visit to a local branch, especially for the initial paperwork, while others may allow you to mail documents. Be prepared to fill out forms and potentially provide details about how the funds should be transferred, for example, to an estate account or directly to beneficiaries if the account is small and qualifies for simplified procedures. For joint accounts, the process is usually simpler as the surviving account holder often gains full ownership automatically, often just requiring a death certificate to remove the deceased's name. An important insider detail is understanding the difference between a regular death certificate and a certified copy. Only a certified copy with the raised seal will be accepted by financial institutions. Also, when you hear terms like letters testamentary or letters of administration, these are simply the formal court documents that appoint you as the legal manager of the deceased's estate. Banks cannot move forward without these if probate is required for the account. Knowing these terms can make your conversations with bank representatives much smoother. Navigating the process of closing a bank account after a loss does not have to be an overwhelming burden. By understanding the necessary documentation and the bank's protocols, you can approach this task systematically. Taking these deliberate steps helps ensure that financial affairs are managed correctly, providing peace of mind during a sensitive time and allowing you to focus on healing and remembrance.
If you found comfort here, like, subscribe, and share so no one grieves alone.